Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to use Copilot to learn a language. So, first of all, let's start by deciding which language we would like to learn. So, for example, I would like to learn Spanish. I would go here and I will literally ask him, help me learn Spanish. So, this is the first thing that I want to do. So here is gonna make me learn Spanish a couple of things. So it give me the essentials and the beginner friendly things like greetings, which is hello. In Spanish it's hola, and good morning it's buenos dias, and in good night we say buenas noches. For polite phrases like please, there's por favor, gracias, and de nada. Also here he comes to you and creates a couple of images to help you understand it more with the actual creators. So as you can see here, there is many things, and also it helps you to understand numbers from number uno into number 30, which is 30. So here also we have number charts from uno or cero into like millions of numbers here, as you can see. So it really helps a lot. You can literally just keep going with it, understand first of all the basics, the numbers, try to comprehend them and remember them, and then once you understand all of that you can keep going. Here it's gonna give you even the best practices that you can do, like listening to Spanish movies, language apps, study techniques like flashcards, quizzes, and speaking practice. You can do a lot of things, especially you can use the AI voice, so you can speak to it and it should be like practicing with you in real time. And yeah, that's probably it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next upcoming video.